In this video, we'll walk through the different types of receipts, their key components and where to find them. Let's start by locating a prediction floor in progress that we've already committed into. You can either look for a VPF in the home page, which has this blue tag, or click on the Open Trade section to see which in-progress VPFs you've committed into. If you expand the VPF, you'll now see this text, Show My Predictions, and expanding that section will drop down a list of your trading receipts for this VPF. In my case, I've got 3. A trading receipt shows you the details of your commitments. A single receipt will be produced for each outcome option chosen and for each time that option is chosen. Breaking the receipt down, you have the date time stamp of when your prediction was made, the rewards multiplier at the time of committing, the outcome option chosen, and the amount committed. This receipt shows the results for profit and loss are still pending, meaning that the VPF has not yet concluded. Now let's see what this receipt looks like when the VPF has concluded. You can see this by clicking on the trade history in your dashboard. On the right, you'll see a list of concluded VPFs that you've committed into. Select one, and you'll see the same view as the in-progress VPF. Clicking the Show My Predictions section drop-down will reveal the results receipt in that VPF. A results receipt is the same as the trading receipt, except that it contains the profit and loss information for that particular trade. Now that you've seen you can access the results receipt via the trade history and access the trade receipt from within the home page, there's another useful place where you can access both types of receipts from, and that's the transaction history in the wallet. If we filter for trades, we can see all the commits and payouts to and from the VPFs. You'll notice on the right there is a receipt icon. Clicking this will take you directly to that particular VPF, where you can simply drop down the Show My Prediction section to view the respective receipt.